Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix App Store missing on your iPhone and how we can fix it. So if you don't find the App Store here, the reason might be you might be deleted it from the home screen. So we can check out some of the workaround that's going to fix you. The first one is all about we have to swipe to the right over here like this, keep on swiping. And once you swipe to the outmost, you'll be taken to this is called App Library. From here, you will be able to find the app that installed on your iPhone. So the first one, we just need to go over here in the search. Now you can search here for App Store. Just search here like this. Now what we need to do is we have to just press and hold over here like this and keep moving the App Store to the pages that you wanted to keep. So let me keep on moving it over here. So let me do this over here. I have to press and hold once again. Then keep moving to the pages that you wanted, right? I keep on moving over here to the first page. Right, and now once I land the first page, I'll keep it wherever the position that I wanted to keep, so I'll keep it over here. And once it's done, as you can see, the apps is still jiggling, so you have to tap over here somewhere else, so it will be over here. And right now you can find the App Store here. Another one, apart from this, what you need to do is we have to cross check. Just go to the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the screen time. Now from here we have to scroll it down and navigate to the content and privacy restrictions. Now from here, tap on app installation and purchase, tap on installing apps, make sure this has been set into allow. So these are the 2 steps that you need to try when you have an issue with the App Store is missing, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it, bye.